Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video, I'm going to show you how to enable or how to view the time with the seconds in this device. So on the top left side, you can see in this device, I already enabled the option time with the seconds. So let me show you how to enable this one. For this, go to settings, tap on notification and status bar, tap on status bar. So here you can see the option time. Tap on the option time, and to view the time with a second, select the option show hours, minute and second. Let me show you. Okay, if you select the option show hours and minute, then you can see there is no seconds. If you select the option time with the seconds, now you can see the time with the seconds on the top left side. So simply in this way you can enable the time with seconds in this device. So hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.